Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty mail unboxing. I've received a lot of packages over the last 2 weeks. I have a lot of new makeup launches and a lot of new skincare launches as well. So if you guys want to see what I got in the mail recently, then just keep watching. Okay, to start off, I got this ginormous package in the mail from CoverGirl, and CoverGirl has been going above and beyond with their PR packages. This is the second one that I've received, but this one is 19 pounds, which is insane. So this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and there are 40 shades in here, I believe. And I think that's a great range of foundation shades. So this is what it looks like. They have the primers in the middle and the color correctors. And I think I'm only going to keep a couple of shades for myself. I was originally going to do a giveaway, but I think it might be better to just like give them to my friends at Sephora. So this is all the foundations. I am extremely grateful for this, and I can't wait to try this out and see if I like it. So thank you to CoverGirl for sending that over to me. Next, I have a skincare package. So this is from Lamai. This is the Papaya Power Caprica Papaya Superfruit Serum. And this is actually made in Thailand. First of all, I love the packaging of this. It is very tropical and it's very eye-catching as well. So this is supposed to brighten your skin within 15 minutes. It also reduces wrinkles, it evens your skin tone, and it moisturizes your skin. So I'll show you what the actual packaging looks like. But this is made with papaya, it's made with mulberry, and it's also made with green tea. So a lot of natural ingredients in this product. And this is the packaging. It almost reminds me of like Pixie packaging, but really, really pretty. I love the green and like the fake wood. Very, very beautiful. And I'm excited about this. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you guys know how I like it in like my vlogs. But I will link this product down below if you guys are interested. And I'm excited that it's from Thailand. Something about that is really intriguing to me. So I'll link this down below for you guys. Okay, moving on, I have a package from Urban Decay. So I thought this was really, really sweet of them. So I got a letter. It says, "Hi Sadie, we heard this was one of your favorite products, so we wanted to keep you stocked up." And they sent me the Urban Decay lipstick in Back Talk, which I'm wearing right now. This is definitely one of my favorites. It's just a really pretty pink mauve color. So like I said, I am wearing it on my lips right now, but this is the shade. And I think it's so sweet of them to send this to me because it just shows that they take the time and watch my videos and see what I'm liking. So I thought that was really, really nice. And thank you to Urban Decay for sending that over. Next, I ordered some lashes from loveeyelashes.com. I've talked about this in the past, but this is where I get all of my eyelashes because they're so affordable. So the #1 pairs that I get are the Cara number 48, which I think I'm wearing right now. Very, very wispy. And I also get the Cara, let's see, I get the Creme 48 too. So the Cara and the Cremes are the main ones that I go on the website for. And also the Creme 43. So I stocked up and got a bunch of lashes. I think I got 15 pairs for like $12 or something crazy like that. Or maybe 12 pairs for 15. But such a great deal. Highly recommend loveeyelashes.com. Okay, next I got a package from IT Cosmetics. So this says, "Keep it cool." I love receiving little makeup bags like this. I have so many, but it's still nice to have. And we have a bunch of like travel essentials in here. So it says, "This summer, bring it with you. Discover your sunny day must-haves, perfect for on the go." Now, I already know I love the IT Cosmetics CC cream. I use it a lot. I would say if I'm not wearing foundation, I'll wear this. So they sent me a bunch of minis of this. And I'm usually in the shade medium or light. So thank you for these. They also sent the Bye Bye Pores Illumination. So this is a poreless finish airbrush pressed powder. I've never tried that. We also have the Bye Bye Makeup 3-in-1 Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, which is a decent size. We have a IT Cosmetics brush, which they have the softest of brushes. We have the Illuminating Concealer for underneath the eyes. This is full coverage. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'll give it a try. And we have the Miracle Water Anti-Aging 3-in-1 Glow Tonic. I've tried that and I used the whole thing and I loved it. And then a Brow Power. So this is just a Universal Taupe Brow Pencil. So thank you so much to IT Cosmetics. That was such a sweet surprise as well. I have 2 packages from First Aid Beauty, and I did receive this free for review from Oxley and First Aid Beauty, so thank you so much. I'm very excited about this, and First Aid Beauty is actually based in Massachusetts, which I love because I am based in Massachusetts, so it's pretty cool to see a company that lives near you. So the first thing that they sent me is the Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. So this dissolves all makeup, even long wear makeup, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I'm excited about this. I've never tried this product, but it is pretty new. Their whole coconut line is pretty new, and I love the scent of coconut. And I love First Aid Beauty. I don't try too many products from them, but I am going to try a lot of their coconut line because I do like coconuts and the scent. But anytime a client is in Sephora and they have very sensitive skin, or they have red skin, or they're just very, very dry, I will lead them over to First Aid Beauty because I know that's like the #1 brand for sensitive and dry skin. So can't wait to try this. I'm going to try out this tonight to cleanse my makeup off, and I cannot wait. And I also like how they included little notes too. That's very nice. They sent me the Facial Radiance Pads. So this helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten the skin. Safe for sensitive skin. It comes with 60 pads in here. I think this is going to be the perfect thing to use after I cleanse my skin. And it's going to help exfoliate my skin, and it's going to help my texture as well. So can't wait to use these. So thank you to First Aid Beauty. And I'd love to visit your office one day since we're so close. Next, I have something from Sky Organics. So this says, "Hi Sadie, meet our mango butter, our go-to summer moisturizer. Hope you love it. Hashtag meet mango butter." It's from Sky Organics. It's 100% organic, unrefined mango butter. Moisturizing butter for skin DIY products. It almost has a similar packaging to like macadamia, like the hair care. This is what it looks like. Now it is unrefined, so when I wanted to like scoop this out, I thought it was gonna be creamy. It's hard as a rock. So as you can see, I tried to get in there, but it is pretty hard. And also it doesn't have too much of a mango scent to me. And maybe a lot of people would like that, how it's like a lighter scent. But I love smelling good, and I just hardly smell this mango. I am going to give this a try. I wanna like melt it in the microwave so it's a bit softer, and then use it, and maybe I'll smell the mango more. But it is all natural, so it makes sense that it's not like super powerful. So thank you to Sky Organics. I will link this down below for you guys if you like a light natural scent. Next, I have a package from Chrisana and Cosmetics. They gave me a 20% off coupon code, which is SadieXO, and they sent me a few different products. So first of all, I got a Z palette, which is really pretty and sparkly. They do have single shadows, so they sent me a bunch, and I put them in here already. So this is what they look like. I love how bright these are. Can't wait to use these blues and that hot pink, and even those greens, really, really pretty. And then they sent me a palette. So this is the Olympus palette. And the outer packaging doesn't look like anything crazy, but I swatched this and I was blown away. So this is what the palette looks like, and this is the one I swatched, but I'll swatch it again for you. Look at that. I'll put it right here. Like, can you even stand it? These are so creamy, and I cannot wait to use this. I feel like this is one of those like overlooked products, but that is very creamy and very pigmented. So I'm going to be giving this a try for sure. They also sent me 2 eyebrow pomades in taupe and blonde, so thank you for that. And then they sent me 3 liquid lipsticks. I'm going to swatch one of them for you, but they sent me Swag, Cakes, and Selfie. I'll swatch Selfie, and this is the packaging. It has like little kissy faces on it. And also, this smells like brownie batter. It smells so good. So that right there is Selfie. So thank you to Chrisana Cosmetics. I will link this company down below and my 20% off coupon. But that shadow is beautiful. Okay, next I have a package from Saturday Skin. I received this free for review from Octoly and Saturday Skin. I will link it down below for you guys. But this is their new Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. So it's an anti-aging water cream. It delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals with a symbiosis of science and potent ingredients. I really like Saturday Skin, and I love the packaging too. So this is their new Waterfall Cream. This is the packaging, very light pink, very clean looking. And then this is the moisturizer. I haven't tried it yet, but I will try it and let you guys know how I like it. But Saturday Skin has not let me down yet. The next thing I have is a package from Loccitane. I love the Loccitane Immortal Divine Cream. That is my absolute favorite. But they sent me a new collection that they came out with. So they sent me this bag, which is pretty cute. I told Scott he can have it. It's more like of a manly bag in my opinion, but it is really cute. Or maybe like a beach bag. And then they sent me the Loccitane water bottle. Love this. I love having water bottles even though I don't use them. I got a notebook in here, so that was very sweet. Everything is very blue in this because it's all about Aqua, which is their new collection. So the first thing I have is the Aqua Moisture Prep Essence. It looks like this. Very pretty packaging. Also, this is what I've been using like for the last week. This is the Loccitane Fresh Moisturizing Mist. Highly recommend this. It's just a facial mist that feels really good on the skin, gives really good hydration, and it has a scent to it, so don't think that this isn't going to smell like anything. This has like a fragrance to it, but I personally like it. It's not like too strong, but it definitely smells like you're spraying your skin with perfume. Then they sent over 2 moisturizers. Can't wait to use these. These are, let's see, the Daily Hydration Thirst Quench. So they sent over the gel, and then they sent over the cream. It's going to be perfect for the summertime and just really hydrating the skin. And then the last thing they sent me is the Aqua Water Gel Cleanser. So I'm going to be giving this a try as well. This whole line smells really good, but like I said, it does have a fragrance to it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, you might not like it, but I personally like it. Okay, and then the last package I got is from Revlon, and I feel like Revlon and CoverGirl are kind of competing because this is a pretty ginormous package. So, hi sweet boy. So this is what the box looks like, and then when you open it up, it says hashtag live boldly right there, and then on the top there's a bunch of different foundations to try, and then we have highlighting palettes, we have color correctors, and then we have a makeup setting spray. So this is everything in the first layer, but there's actually 2 layers. I will be doing a giveaway with some of these because I'm not going to be keeping all of this for myself. But on the second layer, we have nail polishes on the left, we have plumping lip creams, we have eyeshadow palettes, we have tweezers, and then we have liquid liners. So this is very exciting. I'm going to show you guys a couple of things. This nail polish, I really love this color, but it does not say the shade on it. It's like a light purpley pink sparkly color. I love this. I get my nails done, so I probably won't use this, but maybe for the toes it would be really pretty. So I got that. And then I'm excited for these Revlon Kiss plumping lip creams because they're all in like really pretty nude shades. So that's what that looks like. I haven't tried any of this stuff out yet, so I can't give you guys an opinion, but I'm very excited too. So thank you to Revlon for sending that over to me. That was a really great big surprise to get in the mail. Okay, so that was everything that I got in the mail recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!